Summer is brutal for bonsai. The heat kicks in, the soil dries out fast, and if you miss a watering, your tree's not forgiving. Let's get into what actually works. No fluff, just the essentials. First up, watering. Check your bonsai every morning and every evening. If the top inch of soil is dry, water thoroughly. If it's still damp, leave it alone. You're not on a schedule. You're responding to the tree. Second, sunlight. Full sun sounds great until your tree's leaves start to scorch. Morning sun is ideal, but during the hottest part of the day, especially between 12 and 3, give it some shade. Sheltered patios or a sheer shade cloth work wonders. Third, humidity. Misting isn't about watering, it's about cooling. Light misting on hot days helps keep the foliage happy and avoid sudden wilting, especially during heat waves. If this is already helping, hit subscribe. I post bonsai care tips like this all year round, and if you want the full care cycle laid out clearly, grab the Essential Bonsai Guide. Links below. It's packed with seasonal checklists, species care, and fixes for the stuff nobody tells you. Back to the tips. If you're seeing crispy leaves, it's usually one of three things: too much sun, underwatering, or overfeeding. Start by moving it to partial shade, ease off the fertilizer, and remove any dead foliage. Next, fertilizing. In summer, less is more. Feed once or twice a month with a balanced fertilizer. Push it too hard and you'll get weak, leggy growth that's no good for shaping. One more thing, check your wire. Branches thicken fast in summer. If you see wire biting into the bark, cut it off. Don't risk permanent scarring trying to save a bit of wire. Summer can be a stress test for bonsai, but with daily checks, smart positioning, and a light touch, it's also when your tree grows strongest. So, water when needed, protect from harsh sun, feed lightly, and watch the wire. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to give your bonsai the best chance year-round, check out the Essential Bonsai Guide below. You've got this. Your tree's watching. Don't let it roast. See you next time.